My dear students, welcome to this class. This is Kalvit Cholai Biology Classroom. Today we discuss Plus 2 Biology Zoology subject, Unit 1, Chapter 2, Human Reproduction. Book back 1 mark questions with the answers. It is also useful for NEET exam. Okay, let us go to this chapter. Question number 1. The mature sperms are stored in the Option A, seminiferous tubules. Option B, vas deferens. Option C, epididymis. Option D, seminal vesicle. Answer to this question number 1 is Option C, epididymis. Question number 2. The male sex hormone testosterone is secreted from Option A, Sertoli cells. Option B, Leydig cell. Option C, epididymis. Option D, prostate gland. Answer to this question number 2 is Option B, Leydig cell. Question number 3. The glandular accessory organ which produces the largest proportion of semen. Option A, seminal vesicle. Option B, bulbourethral gland. Option C, prostate gland. Option D, mucus gland. Answer to this question number 3 is Option A, seminal vesicle. Question number 4. The male homologue of the female clitoris is Option A, scrotum. Option B, penis. Option C, urethra. Option D, testis. Answer to this question number 4 is Option B, penis. Question number 5. The site of embryo implantation is the Option A, uterus. Option B, peritoneal cavity. Option C, vagina. Option D, fallopian tube. Answer to this question number 5 is Option A, uterus. Question number 6. The fetal membrane that forms the basis of the umbilical cord is Option A, allantois. Option B, amnion. Option C, chorion. Option D, yolk sac. Answer to this question number 6 is Option A, allantois. Question number 7. The most important hormone in initiating and maintaining lactation after birth is Option A, estrogen. Option B, FSH. Option C, prolactin. Option D, oxytocin. Answer to this question number 7 is Option C, prolactin. Question number 8. Mammalian eggs are Option A, mesolecithal and non-cleidoic. Option B, microlecithal and non-cleidoic. Option C, alecithal and non-cleidoic. Option D, alecithal and cleidoic. Answer to this question number 8 is Option C, alecithal and non-cleidoic. Question number 9. The process which the sperm undergoes before penetrating the ovum is Option A, spermiation. Option B, cortical reaction. Option C, spermiogenesis. Option D, capacitation. Answer to this question number 9 is Option D, capacitation. Question number 10. The milk secreted by the mammary glands soon after childbirth is called Option A, mucus. Option B, colostrum. Option C, lactose. Option D, sucrose. Answer to this question number 10 is Option B, colostrum. Question number 11. Colostrum is rich in Option A, immunoglobulin epsilon. Option B, immunoglobulin alpha. Option C, immunoglobulin delta. Option D, immunoglobulin mu. Answer to this question number 11 is Option B, immunoglobulin alpha. Question number 12. The androgen binding protein, ABP, is produced by Option A, Leydig cells. Option B, hypothalamus. Option C, Sertoli cells. Option D, pituitary gland. Answer to this question number 12 is Option C, Sertoli cells. Question number 13. Find the wrongly matched pair. Option A, bleeding phase, fall in estrogen and progesterone. Option B, follicular phase, rise in estrogen. Option C, luteal phase, rise in FSH level. Option D, ovulatory phase, LH surge. Answer to this question number 13 is Option C, luteal phase, rise in FSH level. Question number 14. Assertion, in human male, testes are extra-abdominal and lie in scrotal sacs. Reason, scrotum acts as thermoregulator and keeps temperature lower by 2 degrees Celsius for normal sperm production. Option A. Assertion and reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B. Assertion and reason are true. Reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. Option D. Both assertion and reason are false. Answer to this question number 14 is Option A. Assertion and reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 15. Assertion, ovulation is the release of ovum from the Graafian follicle. Reason, it occurs during the follicular phase of the menstrual cycle. Option A. Assertion and reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B. Assertion and reason are true. Reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C. Assertion is true, reason is false. Option D. Both assertion and reason are false. Answer to this question number 15 is option C. Assertion is true, reason is false. Question number 16. Assertion, head of the sperm consists of acrosome and mitochondria. Reason, acrosome contains spiral rows of mitochondria. Option A. Assertion and reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B. Assertion and reason are true. Reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C. Assertion is true, reason is false. Option D. Both assertion and reason are false. Answer to this question number 16 is option D. Both assertion and reason are false. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Thanks to everyone who listened to this audiobook for +2 students provided by www.kalvitcholai.com, a popular educational website. Stay tuned to kalvitcholai.com to hear more and more of the audiobooks. +2 students play and listen the audio over and over again. Then click on the link below to write an online test. Post your scores in the website comments box. Please, like, comment and share.